The Sun is always active. It influences the environment around the Earth and other planets, and it also generates changes in space for the entire solar system, something we call space weather. We feel its effects on Earth in many ways, and once we leave our protective atmosphere, it affects our satellites, robotic missions, and human explorers. The Sun's reach goes to the edge of the solar system, and we need to understand how it works. In its study of heliophysics, NASA uses a fleet of satellites to take an unprecedented look at the Sun and how it affects us here on Earth. By taking high-resolution images of the Sun, modeling solar storms, and using multiple observatories, NASA will improve our ability to predict not only when solar storms will hit, but how they will affect our daily lives. NASA also studies how the Sun's variability affects our home. Solar storms and solar winds have a strong effect on the Earth and its magnetic field. By studying the Sun's natural ebb and flow, we can learn more about its role in creating phenomena such as the northern lights. As we explore the reaches of our solar system, we must protect our satellites, astronauts, and robotic missions from solar activity. Using the knowledge obtained from its heliophysics observatories, NASA can help engineers develop new tools to protect our explorers as they venture out to new destinations. But what causes the Sun to vary so much? A closer look at its structure may reveal the answer. Studying the magnetic field and surface activity such as sunspots, solar flares, and coronal mass ejections may provide vital clues. As NASA works to reach its science objectives, it will gather pieces of the puzzle that will unlock the Sun's inner secrets. This will give us a clearer picture of the Sun than ever before, and what we will see will give us new understanding of what drives it. Just as we need to understand the Sun, we also need to understand how the Earth and solar system react to it. Current and future missions will reveal how the edge of the Sun's influence interacts with the greater universe. Others study how objects in the solar system, such as comets, are affected by the Sun. Still more study how the Earth's magnetic field reacts to the Sun's activity. But the most important result of NASA's heliophysics research is how it applies to our daily lives. Satellite and ground communications, aircraft navigation systems, and power grids can all be affected by solar activity, and predicting it allows us to take precautions to protect our infrastructure. As our life-giving star, we are dependent on the Sun. As we learn more about it, we will better understand our home, our neighbors, and our place in the solar system. We can then apply this knowledge to our journeys in space, and most importantly, to our lives here on Earth.